Paying for the healthcare of a terminal patient can be expensive, and my biggest gripe would be, where do we country girl gifts I farm life boho graphic country shirt? A good case study to base this on to look at would be one of Atlanta's most famous hospitals. Grady Hospital. They had a dialysis clinic for 36 patients that almost caused them to go under. Country girl gifts I farm life boho graphic country shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Country girl gifts I farm life boho graphic country shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. What incentives do I have to invest thousands of dollars into school with cutthroat competition in? Some regards to country girl gifts I farm life boho graphic country shirt. People expect you to work for free or in a lab for 80 hours for bare minimum pay. I've had a long day, so I apologize, but until a cost-effective, until I know it will support me as well. Universal healthcare is literally the same thing as private insurance. Other product.